The kill shot. What is it? How do we execute it? And what is the significance of adding this to our arsenal? Let's take a deep dive. In today's tutorial, I'm not only going to show you how the kill shot can help you with your position play game, I will also be demonstrating and giving you an exercise that will significantly help your safety play. So how does the kill shot work? Let's take a look at the physics of what takes place. Notice here I hit center cue ball, and the cue ball runs long back up table. Now let's take a look at what happens when we add inside spin, and in this case, that's left spin. Let us look closely at the cue ball as it spins into the cushion, and it tries to stop because of the inside spin. Now let's slow it down even more, and you can really see the grab that the cue ball puts on the cushion. That's what this shot is all about. It's about holding the cue ball in position for this 8-ball. Next, let me show you a layout for a good practice exercise. Mark 2 ball locations at the center line of the table straight out from the first and second diamonds. From there, position the cue ball at the center of the table and cut the first ball into the corner pocket with inside spin and try to hold for that second ball. And here I'm slowing it down about half speed, and you can see the cue ball wanting to grab that lower cushion. The secret of this shot is putting the action on the cue ball. I try to put maximum revolutions with the minimal amount of speed in order to get the cue ball to do what I want it to do. Another thing I would suggest is to shoot shots from along the center line of the table. Move the cue ball towards the side pocket to reduce the angle. This will teach you how to adjust for squirt as you shoot the shot. And like all drills, shoot from both sides of the table. It won't be long before you can actually play position from these kill shots, but also by manipulating the travel path of the cue ball, you'll be able to pull off some nice position shots. It's now time to take a look at a real cool safety shot. By learning to follow with inside spin, we can really pull off some cool safeties. Here I've set up a similar situation where I've taken out the numbered balls except for the 9-ball, and I'm trying to play position up under the 9-ball in hopes to create a lockup safety. It's always a good idea to include safety play within our practice sessions. Now let's take a look at a drill that I came up with that'll really help you with these shots. You'll be required to hit pure side spin and hit the cue ball straight with follow in order to accurately pull off this safety shot. The exercise is set up with a straight line to the far corner pocket and to the first diamond on the short rail. The object of the drill is to bank the yellow up table to the far cushion. In doing so, try to accurately spin the cue ball as you follow the yellow into the first diamond. Here you can see I'm off just slightly, but I still get away with a nice safety. And here's another look at the side spin imparted on the cue ball. That was some good stuff right there, you guys. I was excited to put this video together for everyone because I know it's going to be very helpful to a lot of players. Just to reiterate as well, when you're striking this cue ball and hitting that object ball on a cut, you don't want to strike it too firmly because you're going to put squirt on the cue ball, but you're also going to stun off the object ball, which creates a different angle into the cushion. And if you have too severe of an angle into the cushion, the spin on the cue ball won't grab as good. So keep that in mind. And also, what got me in trouble early on was hitting it a little bit too firm and causing the squirt, and it causes misses. So if you can hit it softly with a smooth stroke, that's the key. Now, I need your help. I want you guys to really share this video. It's going to help my channel big time, and I know we're all building this channel together, and that'll be a big help for sure. And if you want to watch another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.